Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we will be analyzing USDCHF, the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. We will analyze both the latest market news and events that have occurred recently, and then correlate those with our analysis of the USDCHF chart. Recent news and analysis suggests a mixed outlook for USDCHF. Some sources point to a potential recovery and price increases, citing the current economic climate. However, others highlight potential downsides, especially concerning the Swiss National Bank's policies. The most common price targets seem to be in the 0.8673 and 0.8778 zones. Let's start by looking at the daily chart of USDCHF. Here, we can see the recent price action, which has fluctuated around the 0.8778 level. We see that the price has been generally consolidating and trying to break above or below this level. This is common for consolidation ranges. Notice the recent price action. Over the past few days, the volume on some of the candles is significantly higher than others. This indicates the presence of buyers or sellers. This indicates possible breakouts and increased market volatility. Now, let's shift to the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. Zooming in on the past few days, we can observe some short-term trends and fluctuations. The 1-hour chart offers more granularity, which is useful in trading. Here, we can identify potential support and resistance levels, as well as possible short-term reversal points. Combining these short-term movements with the daily chart's larger picture allows for a more comprehensive analysis. The 15-minute chart provides an even more detailed perspective. We can observe smaller price movements and pinpoint precise entry and exit points. The high frequency of data points on this chart helps us see very short-term trends. We see that on the 15-minute chart, the volume is lower and the price action more volatile. This is common for higher frequency charts. Looking at all three timeframes, we can see some clear trends and potential trading opportunities. For instance, a breakout above the 0.88 level could signal a strong bullish trend in the short term. Similarly, a breakdown below the 0.87 level could trigger a bearish move. However, remember that this is just an analysis based on current data and news. Market conditions can change rapidly, so it's crucial to remain flexible and adapt your strategy as needed. Always use stop-loss orders to manage risk. To recap, key price levels to watch are around 0.8778, current consolidation level, and the possible targets at 0.8673 and 0.90 levels. These projections are based on technical analysis and news interpretation, but the likelihood of these scenarios depends on factors like economic news and unexpected events. In the short term, a strong upward or downward breakout from the 0.8778 level would indicate the next major trend. A sustained move above 0.88 would likely signal a short-term bullish trend, while a break below 0.87 could indicate a bearish trend. In the long term, we might see further consolidation, followed by a possible directional move towards the predicted targets. It's crucial to monitor news related to the SNB and U.S. inflation data, as these events can significantly impact USDCHF. Pay attention to the volume as breakouts and consolidations tend to show higher volume compared to periods of sideways trading. Remember to always practice proper risk management techniques before engaging in any trades.